These two pieces of tape represent the two different electrodes that can exist in a lot of electrochemical cells. As you can see, the further apart they are, that represents how different the two metals are. The water represents the amount of electricity or voltage that is created between the potential difference of these two electrodes. So when the pressure is released, you can see that our electrode that's way up at the top, which is a much different height than this electrode down here at the bottom, you have a nice stream of water come out of the hole, representing a very long, hard stream of electricity that can be produced by these two electrodes. At the same time, you could choose to use two electrodes that are more similar in chemical makeup. And what results when you have two electrodes that are too similar in design, just as these heights are very similar, is the amount of electricity that is produced is much less compared to when the difference is greater. Notice how there is some water coming out of the water bottle. However, it is very slow, and if it was needed to power a device, that probably wouldn't happen. Whereas on the other hand, because there was such a difference in this setup, much more power is behind the force of the water, representing much more electricity that can be created. And as one can see, the longer that electricity can be made and used for a device versus these two where less electricity is made and probably will not power as long.